Punit Rajkumar, fondly known as Appu, was a celebrated Kannada actor, singer, producer, television host, and philanthropist. Beginning as an award-winning child artist, he went on to star in 32 films as a leading actor and became one of Kannada cinema's most beloved stars. During his distinguished career, he received numerous honors, including a National Film Award and the posthumous Karnataka Ratna, the state's highest civilian award. Born Punit Rajkumar, 17 March 1975, Chennai, Tamil Nadu, India. Died 29 October 2021, age 46. Bengaluru, Karnataka, India. Others names: Appu, power star. Occupations: actor, singer, film producer, television presenter, philanthropist. Years active 1976 to 2021. Spouse: Ashwini Revant, married 1999. Children: 2. Parents: Dr. Rajkumar, father; Parvatama Rajkumar, mother. Relatives: C. Rajkumar family. Awards full list. Honors: Karnataka Ratna 2022, posthumously. Known as the power star, Punit Rajkumar was celebrated for his family-oriented and action films with hits such as Appu, Milana, Rajkumara, and James. He also hosted the popular TV show Kannadada Kotyadhipati and produced socially meaningful films under PRK Productions, one of Kannada cinema's highest paid and most beloved stars. His legacy of service continued after his passing, as his eye donation inspired tens of thousands to pledge their eyes. Born as Lohit on 17 March 1975 to legendary actor Dr. Rajkumar and Parvatama Punit Rajkumar. Grew up in a family deeply rooted in cinema. After a successful career as a child actor, he completed a diploma in computer science and worked behind the scenes in films before making his mark as a leading star. He married Ashwini Revant in 1999 and the couple had 2 daughters. From 2008 to 2022, Punit Rajkumar delivered a string of commercial successes, including Jackie, Udugaru, Power, Rajkumara, and Nata Sarvabhauma. Rajkumara became a record-breaking blockbuster, while his final lead film James, released posthumously in 2022, set new box office benchmarks, further cementing his legacy as one of Kannada cinema's biggest stars. The sea of people thronging that gave last respect to Punit Rajkumar is testimony to his iconic status in the state. Over the last 2 decades, Punit Rajkumar grew from being an actor to an icon. Much like his father, Dr. Rajkumar, Punit had leveraged the influence he had to endorse many causes, refusing to take any remuneration for them. Punit Rajkumar passed away from a heart attack on 29 October 2021 at the age of 46, plunging Karnataka into deep mourning. In keeping with his family's pledge, he donated his eyes, restoring sight to 4 people and inspiring a remarkable rise in eye donation pledges across the state, millions paid their respect during his state funeral, and he was laid to rest beside his parents at Sri Kantirava Studios in Bengaluru. After his passing, Punit Rajkumar was honored with numerous tributes and awards, including the Karnataka Ratna and an honorary doctorate from the University of Mysore and a posthumous Filmfare Lifetime Achievement Award. His birthday is now observed as Inspiration Day, while roads, hospitals, public initiatives, and cultural events across Karnataka have been named or dedicated in his memory, reflecting his enduring legacy and the deep affection people continue to hold for him.